Good morning, children. Welcome back to the lesson and to the class. Children, we already begun the lesson number 16, natural resources. Now, so far you have studied natural resources and types of natural resources. So, still we are studying the first natural resources, that is renewable resources. The renewable resources, the first one, solar energy, that is sun, we have completed. Today we will study the remaining renewable resources. So you can see here the first one is air. Air is the most important thing needed by all living beings, of course. So air is the one of the most important thing that is needed by all living things, all living beings. Of course, children, first, of course, solar energy, somehow we can manage without it, but air is necessary. Air is necessary. See, now already we are in summer. You see the heat of the sun, how much it is. So you can't even keep your leg out. That much shiny and burning sensation we are facing it. So the radiation of the sun is such, we feel somewhat to go out. You see the heat of the sun. So in that case, of course, we all living beings, we look or we search for the breeze, the cool breeze or the cool air. So now in everyone's house, of course, as far as I know, so everyone will shift into the cooler and the AC and the fan, etc. So that much is the heat of the sun. So of course, children, so now when the trees are shaking, when the trees are bending their branches, we feel very happy. We feel very happy that at least our body gets cooled. We get very breeze and silent, very pleasant air to our body. So we feel so pleasant and so happy. So dear children, so in that case, each and every living beings are required air. So without the air we cannot. So we all breathe in air to live. So we breathe in air and breathe out and we breathe in. So the fast moving air is called wind. The fast moving air is called wind. So now since Sunday we had a very windy and a bit of rain. So you must have seen there was at the same time we had a thundering and lightning also. So that is called wind. It moves very fast. The wind moves very fast. So along with the wind, even the papers, plastic, the mud, the dust, the small particles, whatever we have, everything will fly away. Even such a heavy buckets, the doors will close by themselves, they will shut, windows will shut by themselves. So the noise will take place. So that means you see the fast moving or the speed of the wind. So speed of the wind. Of course, children, so we breathe in air and breathe out air. So every living being we are required air. So without the air we have no life. So air is very essential, children. So now very moment we are breathing, we are alive, we are happy, we are healthy, we are okay, we are safe. That means everything is okay in us. All our organ systems, all our system in our body, everything is functioning well. So therefore air is the most important thing that we require. So the wind is called, the fast moving air is called wind. Same way, the electricity is also produced from wind. So electricity is also produced from wind through windmills. So now everywhere you can see the windmills, children. So how many of you have seen the windmills by close by? How many of you have seen the wind closer? How many of you have gone and touched this practically? Yes. So most of you must have gone and touched, and you must have seen how it is. I think I have heard, but I have never gone very close to the windmill, but I have seen from very far. So the place where the windmills have been put there, that place, around that place has a vibration. It vibrate in the sense, of course, the wind is all the time, it is moving, the because you see the height of the fans, height of the wings, that they move, you see up, they are very huge in size, very huge in size. Such a big huge wings are moving. For us they look very slow moving, but in practically they are moving very fast. So when they are moving fast, just imagine the vibration of that place. So because it is producing the electricity. So children, now there are places like West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala are using windmills to produce electricity. So these are the places where the windmills have been used in order to produce the electricity. Of course, since we have the windmills, nowadays we are not facing the lot of electricity problem. See, in Chikkodi we have all the time electricity, so there is no problem of power cutting at all. So in some places we have the continuous cutting of the power, but in Chikkodi, as far as we know, we have very rare we have a cutting of the power. So dear children, this is about the air. Air is the most important thing needed by all living beings. Of course, if I and you want to live, so we need air to breathe. So we all breathe in air to live. Of course, we breathe out, we breathe in air in order to live. The moment we are not breathing, the moment we are not taking in air, that means something is wrong with us. The fast moving air is called wind. Electricity is also produced from wind through windmills. West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala are using windmills to produce electricity. So next we have, similarly, all living beings need water to survive. So of course we all need water to survive. So air and water is must and should for each and every man. So if I want to live, I need water to have. So we need water to cook, drink, wash, to grow crops and for many other purposes. Of course, this every one of us know very well. So water is must. I cannot be stingy, I cannot be smelling without the bath, and in order to keep my surrounding, my house clean, my clothes, everything, so I need water. So water is one of the most essential thing that each and every one of us are in need of it. In at least by drinking water I can survive 1, 2, 3 days without the food, but without the food and without the water, man has no life. 1 or 2 days he can survive. After that slowly will lose his strength. So therefore we must not waste water, as it is very precious. Of course, water is very precious. I cannot think of wasting the water. So there are places, after so many development and improvement and looking after the villages and everything, still there are places and the people, those are facing a lot of water problem because there is scarcity of water. There is no enough of water for people to drink and use for their household work. So electricity is also generated from water. It is called hydroelectricity. So this already you know. Even the electricity has been produced or generated from the water. So therefore even it is called hydroelectricity. See the work of the water. Of course water is very essential for human being, and secondly we use it for many other purposes. So therefore we cannot think of wasting the water, because water is very precious. And thirdly, electricity is also been generated through the water. So therefore it is called hydroelectricity. Okay children, please go through the lesson. So I think now in renewable resources I have completed sun, air, water, and next we have forest and soil. I think for today it is enough. So let us learn in tomorrow's class. Okay children, okay, bye, take care.